Ever looked at your Excel spreadsheet and felt like your data is playing hide and seek? Today, we're going to master the art of giving your data the breathing room it deserves by learning how to efficiently change column widths and row heights in Excel, making your spreadsheets not only functional but also a pleasure to read. Let's start with columns. The quickest way to adjust is by using your mouse position, your cursor on the dividing line between two column headers. You'll see it transform into a black double-headed arrow now. Simply click and drag that line to the right to widen the column or to the left to narrow it. You can see the exact width in a small tooltip as you drag. For an autofit option, which is incredibly useful, just double-click that same dividing line. Excel will automatically adjust the column width to perfectly fit the longest entry in that column. Now, let's tackle rows. The process is very similar. Hover your cursor over the dividing line between two row numbers on the left-hand side of your sheet. Again, it will change into that familiar double-headed arrow. Click and drag downwards to increase the row height, or upwards to decrease it. Just like with columns, a handy double-click on the row boundary will autofit the row height to the tallest content within that row. This ensures all your text and numbers are fully visible and easy to digest. To adjust multiple columns or rows at once, simply select them. First, you can click and drag to highlight a range, or hold down the Ctrl key to select non-adjacent columns or rows. Then, apply any of the methods we just covered, dragging or double-clicking, and all selected columns or rows will adjust accordingly. Watch as all those selected rows snap to the appropriate height. This is a massive time saver for formatting larger datasets. Mastering these simple tricks will instantly elevate the clarity and professionalism of your Excel documents, making your data easy to understand and your work look polished. So go ahead, give your spreadsheets the space they need to shine.